Welcome to My South Africa. Here we talk about all things related to business and entrepreneurship using examples and illustrations that are easy to follow. There are not many detergent manufacturers in South Africa. Most people think this business is difficult and are intimidated by it. Detergent manufacturing is not difficult and can be done by anyone with enough determination. This is a guide on how to start a detergent manufacturing business in South Africa. Overview. A detergent business focuses on manufacturing detergents such as dishwashing liquids or detergents for doing laundry. This is a good market to go into. There is relatively low competition aside from the big brands. You can also easily find a pathway to success with enough marketing. We need detergents to clean our stuff, mostly laundry and dishes. We also have people who are embracing the entrepreneurial spirit and are supporting smaller businesses. This makes this business a great one to start. It doesn't have high barriers to entry, but most people think it does. This means that you'll face little competition for the foreseeable future. Get training. The internet is full of information, but you won't just read an article on the internet or watch a YouTube video and get to mixing chemicals to create a detergent. You need to have some experience. You need to know what you are doing. The first thing to do would be to attend a short training course. They usually cost less than 5,000 rands and take just a few weeks. Within weeks, you'll be able to know the process of detergent manufacturing from start to finish. You will also know which machines to buy. Most machines cost around 2,000 rands on the low end and around 9,000 rands on the higher end. The training will provide you with all the necessary knowledge to run the manufacturing side of your business well. Most of the questions you might have about detergent manufacturing will be answered during the training process. You will come out knowing a lot more about ingredients, formulas, and machinery, including regulations and good standards. Manufacture the detergent. Manufacturing the detergent won't be hard since you will know exactly what to do after training. The only hard part might be raising finances. Again, the barrier to entry is not that high. You can get started with 5,000 rands. You have to buy the equipment, ingredients, and have operating premises. The operating premises don't have to be fancy. You can operate right from home. Branding. After manufacturing your detergent, you have to focus on the business side of things, and that starts with branding. You have to come up with a name, logo, and design of the containers or packaging. Try to make your colors similar with some of the most popular brands. This is more of a psychological thing. People have been accustomed to buying 5 kg chicken from a yellow plastic. They would hardly give consideration to a purple plastic. It's too unfamiliar to them. The same goes with everything else in other consumer market spaces. Don't try to be extravagant and use colors that are too out of the ordinary. You will also have to register your business. Registering your business will only cost 125 rands when done through the CIPC. This is also the stage whereby you are supposed to package the detergent. It should be ready to hit the shelves. Marketing. Chances of you getting orders from big retailers at the start are very slim. You will have to settle for selling to smaller retailers and individuals. If your product is good, it will grow organically in no time. The first thing you can do is approach all the local retailers in your community or town and try to sell them your product. Offer to sell it at a discount if they don't seem too interested. It's also important to try and sell it to individuals. Individuals are the ones that end up driving the demand behind any product. Invest in some social media marketing. This will likely be a feel-good story that will catch people's attention. You will receive a lot of support and sales from social media, which will help you get even bigger contracts. Create a website where people can order. People don't have the patience of taking down your numbers, storing them, and then contacting you. It's best to send them straight to your website where they will make orders. That way, you'll only talk with people who have actually ordered. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't have a support line. You should have a support line to answer people's questions. Pricing. Take all your production costs into account when pricing your product. Don't undercut yourself. Take all costs including labor, operating costs such as electricity, machinery, and so on. This will leave you with healthy profit margins, but you want to keep your prices in the same range as those of your competitors so that you don't seem too expensive in comparison. Find a way to minimize your costs if you are having a hard time with keeping up with competitors. This was a guide on how to start a detergent manufacturing business in South Africa. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Comment below.